The AC, Mr. Cool AC's finally running. Now that it's 70 degrees outside, I don't really need it. It'll be good having some heat this winter though. Simpact 85A, high impact urethane rubber. This has, I believe, a 2-minute pot life. 4-minute pot life. Handling in 2 hours. Handling time 2 hours. Full cure is 48 hours at room temperature. Heat. Higher temperatures decrease your pot life as far as working time. And this is 85% by weight to 100%. So it's 85% of A to 100% of B. That's an off-white color. Tensile strength is about 1600 psi. As opposed to 60, which is around 1,000. So it should be considerably tougher. Well, I couldn't find my small gram measuring scale. Hopefully, we'll see how this postal scale does. Five grams. 5 gram increments. I think it'll be okay with as heavy as this stuff is. I think it'll be alright. So I've got 2 molds ready. Cast, only got 1 knob ready to cast, so we'll do 1. And ease release 200. And brush that. Just the top part. Now I need to wipe off just the stem, acetone, so that it doesn't have mold release on it. Grab just the top. Make sure we wipe that off good. Good to go. All clean. That is ready. Top is ready. And the bottom is ready. Now we need to mix her up. So pulled that out of the mold a little too early, but it's stretched down just a little bit, but I can't really see the, let me grab my light here. And it's not bad. It's a little dirty, but it's definitely a little harder. It still has a little bit of a squish to it, not much. I just need to touch up the base, clean up the flash that is on it, a little bit of material that coated down at the bottom of the stem, and then I'll paint the whole control stick. Make it look a little better. I think I'm gonna try to do another one. This stuff cures better in higher volume. It's slightly flexible, but it is pretty rigid too. So here's a little bit on the end of the knife here. I think that is perfect for a control knob. I just need to get the casting method down pat. This one is probably going to go in my car, so hopefully the next one will come out better. But let me show you these molds. Doesn't look like much, but that actually will cast. Where is it? Here it is. The damper gear. It slides into the slot in the damper. And I'll just pour that from the top. I'll need to cast those in resin if I ever need to do it. And then these, I made 2 of these. And that is to cast the gear for the control shaft. These 2 interlock. And that's what turns the door, opens and closes. Those will be poured from the top and then trimmed off once it's solidified. And I now have, that's a new mold. I now have 2, actually this is a new one, not that, that's the older one. 2 of these for the knob, so I can cast 2 of them at the same time. Pretty neat. So I will try to cast both of those from the center vent next time. Be able to mix a little bit. So I had to mix all of that. That was the smallest amount I could measure out with that scale. And you can see how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could have made 6 out of that amount. Need to find my little scale and then my little dosing syringes and get it a little more accurate. This one will go in here just fine. Just like that. Let's see what we can do about this damper seal. 10 millimeters. Is it all 10? What's this side? 10. Okay. I can wiggle around a little bit to fill up the space. Let's see what happens. Put the small pin in first. I would say that's a good fit.